Next word is HIBAL, to move. Okay, identify the consonants. We have ha, ba, and lam. So ha is written like this, but if it's at the beginning, so it's written like that. And ba, it's a boat with one dot below. And lastly, lam, which is a reverse L. That's how you write it. Then from right to left, we have ha, or ha, and its baris is E, which is hababa. So the baris is below the letter. Then we have next ba, and its baris is a. So a is above, ataas. So above, and lastly we have lam, which has no vowel sound, so its baris patay. Okay, hival. How do you spell this? Ha hababa hi, ba ataas ba, muno lam, bal, hival. Okay, now we connect them. This is how you write it. Connected. Ha ba lam. Ha ba hi, ba ataas ba, muno lam, bal, hival. That's how you write hival in Sulat Sūg. Subscribe for more.